Hello guys, how you guys doing today? Welcome back to our blog CMS. And if you're enjoying our series or you are new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button so you can get updated when I drop any new video. And in this video, I told you guys that I'm going to show you guys how to delete. And let me do a quick recap on what we have been doing so far. So here we have it. Now, as you can remember, now we can add a post like we did. You can add a post. You can update your posts. Now we know how to update our post. We know how to add a post. So in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to delete a post. Like I want to delete this. I want to delete this. I want to delete every single thing I have here. So how do we delete a post? So that is what we are going to be doing in this video. So let's go to our view, and if you can remember, I've been using the Django view.generic, import list view, detail view, create view, and delete view. So I think today we are going to be making use of delete view. Yes, you guessed it right, delete view. Wow, I think they are all making sense. Delete view. So let's come down here and create a class as we're always doing. So there's nothing new. If you're following my channel from the beginning, well, there's nothing new what we're going to do now. I think I'm going to make a little bit of copy and paste. So let's call this delete posts. So I'm going to pass in delete view right here, and the usual, we have a model, call it our post. We have a template name, and yeah, we always have to create a template. So let's come down here and click on this. Let's create a template and call this delete dots. And now let's go post HTML. I think this is fine. Yeah, this is okay. So I want to come to my updates post and copy every single thing I have here in my update post and make use of that here. So now in our delete, these are our delete templates. We're not going to be making use of a form because we're not creating any form, so we don't need this form.asp. But I think every other thing we need there is okay. We don't need the form.asp. So what we're going to say here is, let's give this an h1, and we're going to write are you sure you want to delete? So what are we deleting? Because I want to have that the title. So let's say post.title, so we can see the title of what we are deleting. Let's have a question mark here. I think I want to add double quotes here. So we're going to see a question that will pop up like this saying, are you sure you want to delete? And they will show you the title. I think this is all we need in our template. So let's go back to our view and add our template there. So we called it delete. So am I writing that? Delete.html. So this is what we called it there. So you know the usual, we have a template, we have a view, and we have a URL. So let's go straight to our URL. I think I will copy this because I'm deleting, is almost the same thing. I'll just copy and paste this. Like we always do, we always have a PK, that's a primary key, a unique ID. Like I told you, if you are going to be updating something, you need a unique ID to identify what you want to update. If you also want to delete, you need the same unique ID. That's why I just copied this. That's the primary key. So let's call this. So let's call this delete posts. I think this is okay. Let's change this to delete posts. Delete post.asview, because that is what I named it here, delete post. So delete post.asview. So let's change this URL here to delete. to delete posts. I think we're good to go. Now we have our template, we have our view, and we have our URL. Wow, this is nice. So next thing we need to do, let's come here. So now, as you can see, we have our update post here, but we don't have any delete button where we can click on the button like this. It brings us to this page. We don't have any button where we can click on and we're going to see our delete. So I think we need to have a button here. So let's go to our home.html, which is here. Okay, I think I want to copy everything here. So let's go back and see what we have. Let's refresh. Now we have update post, update post. So I think I want to change this one to delete post, not update post. So I'll just say delete posts. And we're going to change our URL. Remember, in our URL we named it delete post, so that is what I will name it there. Delete posts. And we have our post.pk. As usual, our post.pk, so it's delete post here. Let's go back and see. Let's refresh. Now as you can see, it has changed to delete posts. Wow, we're getting right along. So let's try to delete this post, or let me try to delete this last one. Just click on it, delete. Voila, as you can see, are you sure you want to delete title book? That is the name of that's the name here, title book. Even though, okay, I want to be a good boy, so let's click on delete. Are you sure you want to delete I want to be a good boy? So now it's asking you, are you sure you want to delete this? But I don't like this, it's saying post. So let's go to our delete.html, delete post.html, and change that. So let's change this primary to danger. Danger is red. You are going to be seeing it's red. Let's refresh. It's red now. Okay, nice. So this is not a post, it's a delete. So let's say delete. I think I don't want this edit. Let's say trash. I'll try the trash. So let's see what we have. Nice. Now I have a trash and a delete. So are you sure you want to delete this? So let's click on the delete. No URL to redirect. Okay, now we have a problem. So we need to pass a URL to redirect, maybe to redirect it somewhere, like the way we always do when we add a post. It redirects to our home page. When we update, it redirects to our home page. So now once we delete, we're not redirecting it anywhere. So we need to add that by coming to our views, and this time around it's going to be a little bit different. Initially, you know, we have it in our model here where we reverse it to home like this, but for some reason it doesn't work like that here. So what we're going to do here is up here we're going to just from the Django the URLs import reverse lazy. We can't make use of reverse here because I don't know why. I've tried that a couple of times, it's not working. So we have to make use of reverse lazy in our view. It's not the same as our model. So we'll come down here and say success URL and say reverse lazy. Where do you want to reverse to? Our home. Now we're reversing to our home. So let's go back and refresh. Let's refresh this. Okay, we're back to our home, but I don't know if that's deleted. Oh, actually it deleted, because now I just have good life, bad energy, title book. I don't have I want to be a good boy anymore. So it is actually working. So let's go to continue reading. I would love to have a delete button here too, in case I also want to delete it from here. So I think that is now article.html. So let's go to our article.html. I think, but let's go to our home.html first and just copy this. Go to our article.html and give a space, paste it right here. That's all. Come back here and refresh. Now we have our delete post here. So let's try to delete this title book. Are you sure you want to delete title books? Yes. And voila, our title book is gone. We only have 2 posts now. Good life and bad energy. Wow, that's nice. So I think I'll be stopping here for this video. So in the next video I'll be showing you guys how to order by ID or order by date. So well, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed my video and you want to see more content like this, please hit the subscribe button so it will notify you when I post something new, and see you guys in the next video.